Check out this 2013 Nissan Pathfinder SL. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, engine immobilizer, Bluetooth connection, rear spoiler, AM/FM stereo, satellite radio, ABS, and keyless start. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.